Nothing's better than some breakfast tacos filled with egg first thing in the morning. I'm going to show you how to make my breakfast tacos. First, I start with melting some butter over medium-low heat. This way, eggs don't burn. When the butter is melted, you can go ahead and add the eggs to the pan. Make sure to stir the eggs often, that way they do not stick to the pan. When the eggs are just about done, you can add salt and pepper to your liking. I like to steam my tortillas in a damp paper towel using the microwave. It makes them soft and stops them from breaking so easily. Once your eggs and tortillas are done is when you can chop up any condiments you wish to use on your tacos. I like to chop up some Roma Tomato. Next, I top my warm tortillas with some jack cheese. This is when you can really start building your tacos and adding the scrambled eggs and everything you wish. I like to add some onion cilantro or Mexican relish, whatever you call it. I finished topping my tacos with what my friends call magic sauce, but it's really just some Chipotle Aioli. And there you have it, breakfast egg tacos.